Hello everyone, welcome to this channel, a channel for awesome facts and information. In today's video, we will be talking about how to make money with affiliate marketing. Watch this video till the end for a better understanding and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Affiliate marketing is when an online retailer pays you a commission for traffic or sales generated from your referrals. Do you want to learn how to make money with affiliate marketing, but you're not sure where to get started? Affiliate marketing is all about generating tons of profits without any effort, right? At least that's what a quick Google search would have you believe, but as usual, the truth is a little more complex than that. Yes, you can make money through affiliate marketing. And, yes, you can even make money while you sleep. You can make money simply by promoting a company's products or services. Affiliate marketers use their own blog or YouTube channel, websites, Facebook groups and pages, email marketing, and similar online presences to run their affiliate marketing program. But how do these companies see what you're doing, and pay you? There are various affiliate networks where you can apply. We list our top picks below. In this video, we're going to teach you how to generate passive income with successful affiliate marketing. Here's a list of the top 7 ways how to make money with affiliate marketing. Number 1. Create a website or blog for your niche. To make money with affiliate marketing, the first thing you need is a website. When it comes to building your website, you have tons of options. But we highly recommend using WordPress. With WordPress, anyone can quickly build a professional-looking website in minutes, even if you don't know how to code. Plus, WordPress has more tools to help their sites perform at a higher level than other website builders. That means more functionality across your site and a better user experience for your visitors. If you're interested in making money with affiliate marketing, WordPress is definitely your way to go. Now that your website is built, you'll need to determine which products you want to promote. That takes us to the second prerequisite for starting out with affiliate marketing. Number 2. Choose affiliate products to promote. If you've done the work to choose a niche, choosing affiliate products to promote should be easy. Choose products that fit your niche and relate to your content. One of the best ways to select your affiliate products is by joining an affiliate network. Affiliate networks are businesses that connect merchants and affiliate marketers so both can earn more money. Affiliate marketers use affiliate networks to make better product selections to promote on their site. There are many affiliate networks out there, but here are a few of the most popular: ShareASale, CJ Affiliate, ClickBank, Amazon Associates, etc. One of the benefits of affiliate networks is they typically have more data on how well a product sells. You can then use that data to increase your affiliate marketing profits. Now that you have your website built and you know which products you want to promote, it's time to dive into our exact process for making money with affiliate marketing. Number 3. Create content that generates affiliate revenue. In an effort to make money with affiliate marketing, most beginners simply publish some random content and insert affiliate links within the article. That strategy may or may not work, but if you truly want to boost your affiliate revenue, you'll need to make sure the content you publish reaches your target audience. Your target audience is someone who wants to buy a product but not sure whether or not the product is worth it. Sometimes, the user may not even know which product to buy for fulfilling their needs. As an affiliate marketer, it's your job to help users discover the right product for their needs with high-quality content, help them make a purchasing decision, and then navigate them to the product website for completing the purchase. Number 4. Promote your affiliate products in the content. Now you know what kind of content you're going to produce: investigational. You're looking for topics that revolve around your target audience searching for an answer to the problem they're facing. Once you've done your keyword research and have your content ideas, it's time to start inserting affiliate links in your content. The way that you insert your affiliate links will depend on the specific article you're writing. It wouldn't make sense to add affiliate links to 5 different products if you're doing a product review. On the other hand, if you're showcasing the top 10 tools for solving X, you would want to put in multiple affiliate links to increase your chances of making more sales. The goal is to insert your links as strategically as possible. Number 5. Turn your visitors into affiliate customers. One of the biggest mistakes new affiliate marketers make is assuming they need to 10x their traffic if they want to 10x their profit. It actually doesn't work that way, which is great news for you. For example, let's say that you're promoting a product on your site that pays $50 as affiliate commission for every sale you make. And imagine that your affiliate conversion rate is 2%, meaning for every 100 visitors you send to that website, 2 of them are buying the product. That means the CPC, cost per click, you earn is $1 per click. But what if you could send 2x more visitors to the affiliate product site? Based on the CPC value, you could double the affiliate revenue as well. And the best part, you don't have to increase traffic to your site. Instead, you could simply set up a conversion optimization campaign that boosts your revenue. Number 6. Optimize your existing traffic for more revenue. This next step comes from a strategy that's driven by something called the 80-20 rule. The 80-20 rule, in this case, suggests that 80% of your profits will come from 20% of your content. It's obviously not an exact metric, but the basic principle stands firm: identify your highest converting content and make it a priority for affiliate campaigns. Once you know that a particular post or video is resonating with your audience, you can create a targeted campaign with Opt-in Monster to increase affiliate sales. This is a much better plan of action than blindly making campaigns for every page on your site. How do you get started? Jump into your Google Analytics dashboard, identify the articles that bring in the most content, and then create targeted campaigns for those URLs. Number 7. Grow affiliate revenue from your email list. No matter how you look at it, email marketing is still the best way to earn passive income. All of the other methods fall short in some way. SEO is great until Google changes its algorithm and your rankings tank. Paid ads can bring quick results if you have the budget to fail your way upwards. And even then, paid ads require constant care and attention to keep conversion rates high. But your email list is traffic that's always yours. Plus, it's full of people who have an interest in your niche and have already engaged with your content. That means you know they're interested in your niche, and they'll make for an excellent audience for your affiliate marketing campaigns. Whether you're using your email list to drive more traffic to your high-converting posts or sending users directly to an affiliate link, email marketing is a great way to improve your revenue. What do you think about our video? Please let us know in the comments area below. If you enjoyed this video and would want to hear from us again, please subscribe for more informative videos and turn on the notification before leaving. Thank you for watching.